Our kitchen before it really wasn't that bad. Black countertops, white cabinets.
You don't realize until you get the new how different the before and after is.
It's amazing. I mean, we could not be happier with the finished product. People who come over to our house are wowed. It is unbelievable. The transformation between the old kitchen and this one, the new one, it's like night and day.
I think one of the things that Janelle did that was smart here was using multiple cabinet lines to achieve a look. So we do that a lot. We use medium grade, or, they're not at the highest level, but we can take components of the highest level and integrate them into the mid-level cabinet line to create a certain look with panels and things that you can't do in a regular stock cabinet. And you have to have a certain amount of knowledge to be able to pull that off, and Janelle did it really well.
Construction went really well, was, pretty seamless.
There were so many problems. From my perspective, I sit in on the construction meetings every Friday morning and I hear about what the head scratchers were and all the things that we were trying to do and the things we encountered, and we thought things we could take out, things we thought we could do, and then the old house says, no, change your plans.
Went as smooth as possible. I would highly recommend Karr Bick.
I do think that that's amazing that when you hear an interview and the homeowner's like, it was great, and you're like, that's because we protected you from all the things that went wrong. So the value in using our designers and our construction team is when problems happen, we figure it out together, and we try as little as possible to involve the homeowner.
We wish we had done it sooner. I know everyone says that. We really wish we had. Our daughters are both in college now, and we wish we had done it, when they were home, so they could really enjoy it. It's unbelievable. We couldn't be happier.
I have yet to meet a client that says, we did this kitchen too soon. It's everybody, the time is now.
Every morning when I come down in the morning, it brings me so much joy to see this space. It makes me so happy to be in my kitchen.